Next thing I'm going to talk to you about is lighting. Lighting is very important as well. I put it right up there with audio. Audio and lighting are key to making sure that your message can be heard well and seen well. I would punch into Amazon Studio Lighting and see what kind of deals they have right now. There might be something good. Now, you don't have to go and buy a bunch of new lighting to do this, but you can find one or two different cheap lights on Amazon. We actually found some cheap lighting on Amazon that we use quite a bit, and it works pretty well for what we need to do. So we didn't have to spend a lot of money on it. We bought a 3-unit set of lighting that we use for a handful of things that we do here. So in your case, I would just make sure that you're intentional with it. Don't stand in a place where there's shadows and where things look kind of goofy or it's really dark behind you, or really make sure that the face is well lit. So really that's just turning on your light wherever room you're in and being intentional about where you're at in the room to make sure that you're just well lit. Again, if you're watching TV and you see, a news anchor, their face is well lit, it's very intentional, and not that you have to broadcast things as well as the news does, but you want to make sure that it feels intentional for the people that are watching it. One thing to try and use, you can ask around and see if somebody has one of those shop lights that just kind of shoots light out. You can get creative, try different kinds of lighting that you can find around your house. Any kind of a spot lighting, maybe track lighting that you have in a basement somewhere, in a hallway. Find a cool way to have fun with lighting. You can even hang lights up behind you, make it look good, make it engaging. Ultimately have fun with it and make sure that you can see the face well.